Hi, here are my phases for med terms. Starting with Chapter 7, due to the coldness, the child displayed cyanosis in his lips. Cyanosis. The common cold affects the nasopharyngeal region. Nasopharyngeal. The student started to study otorhinolaryngology because of an interest in the ear, nose, and throat. Otorhinolaryngology. Pertussis is a highly contagious disease but can be prevented by a vaccine. Pertussis. Lung infections, like pneumonia, can lead to pyothorax. Pyothorax. If you plan on going on a hayride this weekend, be mindful of rhinitis, which is also known as hay fever. Rhinitis. If you stand in a hospital's hallway and hear very loud coughing, a patient somewhere in the hospital probably has tuberculosis. Tuberculosis. Pleurodynia is also known as Bornholm's disease and can be caused by not washing your hands. Pleurodynia. The color of phlegm one coughs up can be an indicator of a serious health problem. Phlegm. If you've ever had parasitis, your entire face and head ache like crazy. Parasitis. Moving on to Chapter 8, the doctor ordered an anorexiant to suppress the man's desire to eat. Anorexiant. In order to please his own body image, the man wanted to have a bariatric surgery performed. Bariatric surgery. Many times, chemotherapy results in cachexia because the patients are too weak to eat. Cachexia. Cholecytograms can give the results of gallbladder disease and play an important part in having a gallbladder removed. Cholecystogram. A feeding tube was inserted to prevent the dysrexia from exceeding past 20 pounds. Dysrexia. For patients with Crohn's disease, a fistulectomy may be more common. Fistulectomy. With the health problems and allergens my family has had, gastroenterology is something that has my interest. Gastroenterology. Proctoptosis can be caused by chronic diarrhea, age, and childbirth. Proctoptosis. If you are pregnant and constantly battle extreme sickness, you may have hyperemesis. Hyperemesis. Despite the pharyngioplasia, the man communicates with sign language. Pharyngioplasia. Alright, continuing with Chapter 9. Cystialgia can be a symptom of bladder cancer. Cystialgia. Excessive fluid input, renal failure, and hypertension can be causes of diuresis. Diuresis. Young children, before being potty trained, suffer from enuresis. Enuresis. Blood is filtered through the glomerular before urine is produced. Glomerular. Glomerular. Blood is filtered through the glomerular before urine is produced. Glomerular. Chronic hypertension can lead to nephrosclerosis and renal failure. Nephrosclerosis. More women than men suffer from a drooping kidney, which is nephropexy. Nephropexy. A urinalysis was ordered to ensure the man's diagnosis was correct. Urinalysis. When the doctors found many kidney stones, the patient underwent a nephrolithotomy. Nephrolithotomy. Severe dehydration will cause anuria. Anuria. But before discovering she was diabetic, the woman suffered from ketonuria. Ketonuria. Alright, so those are my words.